How do you know so? Say hi to Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, you guys. Come on, let's go outside and play. Come on, outside, outside. As you can see, it's very muddy in here. Good boy, Cody. Hi, Zany. Hi, guys. Oh, oh. Hi, guys. You guys go play. Where's the toy? No, that's not for you. Here, here's the toy. Yeah? Go get it, doggies. What's up? Yeah, okay, hold on. I'm videotaping the doggies for their parents. Hi, Rebel. You say hi? It's Rebel and Mr. Boobins. Hi, Oso. Uh-oh, somebody's got the toy. Get it, Zane. Get it, Zane. Mr. Boobins. That's not nice. Hi, Rebel. How you doing, bud? Hi, Rebel. Say hi. Oh, these two are going to get that toy. Get that toy. Zane is way bigger than you guys. He'll probably win. Be nice. Zane, be nice. Don't growl. You scare the doggies. Zane, Zane. Cody, it's okay. Hey, it's okay, you guys. He's playing.